Dear our customers and friends, welcome to Golden Tulip Artificial Flower and Plant New Items Development Presentation. Today, we'd like to show you a new range of bushy willow and berry stem. First, let's see the bushy willow. There's two styles, both in height 140 centimeter. They are single stem and bushy willow bunch tied together by raffia. Let's see. They are in various colors available. Let's check the details by this one. You see, natural stem and natural willow fruit. Okay, let's see the berry stem with the frosted berries and artificial dried leaves. Do you like it? See you next time.